I'd like to thank everybody that watched this video, man. If you are in the market for painting your car, you can use the code LSCR10 from Grant 7 Paints and Coatings. LSCR10, you get 10% off the Oh My Clear. When you see that clear, it's gonna make you say, oh my God. We're gonna be using it in the future on something, but if you wasn't in that live, you don't know what it is. But yeah, Grant 7 Painting Coatings, LSCR10, get you 10% off the Oh My Clear. Tell a friend. It's your boy LSCR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. The hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSCR254, man. Tune in for another one. Let's get into some light. Yeah, that's how we come down the stairs. Let me make sure we all the way out. But yeah, man, off day shenanigans. I got this notification or delivery attempt thing, and it basically was saying that it was trying to deliver something, blah blah blah, and I wasn't here to get it. So what I'm gonna do, I run to the post office. I was just about to go live, so yeah, I'm going to go to the post office, handle this, come back, then probably go live, and then I'll continue the vlog later. Alright, so I just got back from, well, we at the post office. I wasn't expecting no letter or nothing, so I figured I'd go ahead and get it. Well, it said package, but it was actually a letter sent from a record service and body shop in Mableton, GA. I'm not exactly sure what this is about, being that I live in Texas. But it was sent certified, so I had to sign for it or whatever. Let's see. So this is probably in reference to okay. So this is about my Tahoe, but it's actually my sister's. I don't know why they sent it to me. So I'll forward this to my sister and then go from there. So craziness. I didn't know what it was. Alright then, let's go get this live jumping off and go from there. Alright, what's going on, guys? This is your boy LSCR254. As I told y'all in the last video, man, we're gonna have to buy some credits. This is gonna be my first time trying to record something like this for the purposes of showing y'all what I'm doing on the computer. I mean, I've seen it done before, not really new to it, but at the same time, yeah. So I'm gonna show you what I have here. I basically have my HP tuner unit right here, and as you can see on the screen, I am logged into the actual HP tuner editor, VCM editor. I don't have anything loaded up. These are like some recent files. This is like the C10 tune from Curtis. Recent files. I think that was on a flash drive. I think I was making some. Let me see. Let me see what options it gives me. Because I do believe I had to reinstall So this was a 02 Silverado 5.3 bass tone. So you'll basically see that it's pretty much stock. VATs are still enabled, all of that good stuff. You go over to the engine. This one, like I said, is a 5.3, and then that's the OS codes and all that stuff. But pretty much when you go into, the only thing that we're gonna need to come in here to change to make a engine that has not been cammed run is come right here, change that to none, and then you have to write your credits. Well, being that we don't have any credits, that's primarily what this video is about. So I have the MPVI2 unit. So what you want to do is you'll come to the tuningschool.com, and you'll come right here to let's go to the main site. Let me back up so that nobody gets lost. Nobody has to message me asking how this is supposed to be done, and it'll just be kind of self-explanatory. So you go to tuningschool.com, you go to credits. When you click on credits, you will then need to it'll show you the credits that it has right here. So they have the GM MPVI credits for MPVI and the Dodge MPVI credits. That was for the first unit. If you have the MPVI2 credit, or if you have the MPVI2, which is this one right here, these are the credits you're going to need. Alright, so the credits are $47.49 each. You need 2. And then it shows right here that you will need your 10-digit MPVI serial number, which is mandatory for you to make a purchase. This shows right here, coronavirus 19 update. Let me just see what they say about this. I'm pretty sure that they're still shipping stuff. In the wake of coronavirus, make sure that the health and employees meeting our customers' service commitments. Shipping and operation teams are experienced with adapting to changing conditions, and they are developing contingency plans to address potential sources of disruption. Blah blah. Many of our staff have the ability to work from home, and will continue to receive guidance on the best way to prevent the spread of infections that align with CDC. Clean your hands, avoid touching your eyes, cover coughs and sneezes, avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home if you are sick, and clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces. So what we're getting from them is digital. I mean, so we don't really need. So in order to, let me see, products, and this is, I mean, this right here is the HP Tuner website. You can also let me find the link here for you. Or actually, let me see. I believe it would take you through. So yeah, see, so when you go to write the file or whatever, say you don't have a license for the file, save changes, write the file to a vehicle, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. So to license the file, you must first connect your interface. First, show license options. It's gonna say right here, you do not have a license to perform the current action. And then it's gonna say you can purchase credits online right here. So it'll take you to my account. Like I said, you can get them directly through HP tuners. However, you save, they're $49.99 on HP tuners, and they're $47.49 on the tuning school. So you save a couple bucks and you can get them either way. So yeah, $49.99 on HP tuners and $47.49 on the tuning school. For my purposes, for this video, I'm going to be ordering from the tuning school just so I can keep y'all updated on like how long it takes. You know what I'm saying? I know that this works. Jarway Engineers done it, and yeah. So there's no worry or concern on my part on that end, as far as that goes. So the only thing you have to take so yeah, I have my 2 credits. So in the end, it comes out, well, the subtotal is $94.98. It's gonna make me create an account. You know what I'm saying? Put all my little information in there. And create an account real quick. Boop, boop, boop. Now there. So you put all your information in there, boom, boom, boom. It calculates the taxes, does all that good stuff. It looks like all in all, I don't think they have any discount codes going on right now, but yeah, put all your information in, and yeah. So I'm gonna cut you back on, or no, pretty much this concludes buying credits. So for right up under $95, you can save $5 by going and getting them from the tuning school, or you can spend the full $100 buying the credits directly from HP Tuners. So I don't know about you, I like saving money, and that's why I'm going to do it this way. So